outside.
Jeez, what are we doing today?
We're making goulash in the kettle on an open
We're
fire.
not making pastries, yeah?
Well, we're doing that too, but
Oh, we're
right
doing
now,
pastries too. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Right now-
You want me to open that? Oh, here's the kettle. Let's do it here.
all right.
All right, so
Well, all we're doing here is putting the, close your ears, the lard.
well, you've done goulash many times, right?
Yeah.
And
This is our first time doing it in a kettle over an open fire pit that you built
where do we get the kettle?
from Hungary.
That's right, from my cousins in Mosó-Magyaróvá.
And I've got lard, which, you know, that's the traditional way of making it.
Right, and that's the best way because you've made this several times, and my brother and I have critiqued it.
You like the taste of the lard.
Yeah, and we settled on this is as close to my grandma's as you got.
Right.
And it was we were very satisfied.
But I'm not going to get just normal lard. I got something supposed to be a better quality, I hope.
Well, let's try it.
All right.
Are you scoring it?
Yeah, just to see how much I need. So we're going to do a double recipe. So we're going to do about 6 tablespoons of lard.
All right, a little louder, my love.
Sorry, we're going to do 6 tablespoons of lard.
All right, thank you. Woof.
Woof, yes is right. All right, so we're going to go melt the lard over the kettle. Should we proceed?
You want me to hang that up on the?
Yeah.
Okay, well then, all right. Here, you hold this.
Can I do it?
No, I don't want it to fall, honey. No offense. No offense. Should be my
open
job.
the door so I can take this out. The rest
Okay.
of our ingredients. See, we've got chopped onions, stew beef, caraway seeds, paprika, garlic, and
We
salt.
have paprika?
Tons of paprika.
What kind of paprika?
Seged paprika.
Yes, because we don't buy generic paprika, do we?
No.
That's a sin,
Nem,
isn't it?
nem.
It's
Nem.
a sin to buy generic
Nem.
paprika.
Okay, open the door so I can
I will.
go.
Tree that fell over, and the tree was right here, so I took it out, which took a while, and then I built a fire pit in its place.
Question, how am I going to tend to the goulash
Honey,
without
you can't
falling?
put that on.
Why not?
No, because I got to put it on with the chain, okay? Just let me do it.
All right.
I'll show you how you're going to tend. Ready?
How am I not going to fall into the hole?
This is how we're going to do this, okay? You're not going to fall in the hole because I have some places here where you can stand easily. Here,
Woo!
okay? Here, and here.
And that's where I'm supposed to tend the goulash
That's
from?
where you're going to tend to the goulash, okay? Or goulash.
This is a very smart setup. I'm very impressed
Well,
with your...
let's see how smart it is. If I get it done correctly, let's see how smart it is. So, now, how tall is that right there?
I don't know.
I mean, does it look like the fire's getting to it a little bit or not too much? Or
Not a lot.
we don't want it to to it a lot, do
No,
we?
no.
Right.
Maybe a little lower?
You want to lower it a little bit, right? Okay.
Maybe a teeny bit.
Okay. Is that low enough or is that too low?
I think that's good. I think that's
Oh,
good.
I already see the lard melting in
The
there.
lard's melting. Well, the lard melts easily.
All right, rustic goulash part 2. You feel confident there or no?
Daddy?
I love it. Okay, we're back with doing something a little different than pastries today, right?
Oh, we've melted the lard. I'm hoping bears don't come.
Bears won't come. We're making noise.
Okay, and I'm going to add the chopped onion. So I'm making like 2 batches of my goulash today. So I've got 2 chopped onions. I'm going as loud as I
Get a
can.
little louder.
2 chopped onions.
Okay, all right. Now you okay.
And I've got 4.5 pounds of meat.
Yes.
So first thing is we melted the lard. We're gonna add. Ooh, this is getting a little hot.
It's hot.
Okay, we're gonna do the onions old school. I've got very little utensils here. So the lard was hot.
By the way, when my cousins in Mosó-Magyaróvá gave us this cauldron,
Yeah,
remember Sim was so small?
she fit in it.
Samira we would carry Sim around in
So
that.
this
It
is
was
our
funny.
stirrer today, my rolling pin.
Mm-hmm.
Can I touch this or is it too hot?
It's probably gonna get too hot.
All right, so We're gonna let the onions stew until they're translucent.
Okay.
And then I'll be back.
And then we'll be back.
So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. We'll see if it's ready.
Hungarian goulash cooking on an open fire. And we're cutting back into the making of
Goulash.
goulash.
Goulash. Onions are perfect. Can I just leave that in? No.
No, let's not. Next time you go back in the kitchen, get something to lay that on.
Okay.
Okay.
Woof. It's still hot, dude. Okay.
Well,
so what
it's
we're
under
gonna
a fire, honey. Of course it's hot.
What we're gonna do? I've gotten the garlic ready here.
Garlic, which we call foghajma in Hungarian.
Foghajma?
Foghajma. Hajma. My Hungarian's terrible, but not as foghajma. Yeah. Anyway.
And we're gonna put the caraway.
Caraway seeds.
Yeah.
Now the paprika. Show me the paprika you're using, please.
Can you give me a second because
Yeah, I can give you a second.
oof, I have to.
It's hot, isn't it?
Do something unladylike here.
What? You spread your legs apart like.
Yeah. Very unladylike.
Well, I mean, it's a hot fire over there. So caraway seeds. Okay, then sit on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, sit on the other side. That's the beauty of this pit. You can go 360 degrees.
That's true.
Yeah, the wind's going that way, you go this way.
Oh, that's much better.
Okay.
Okay.
I like this. This is the old time way to do things. It reminds me, my grandfather and his friends used to, butcher a pig and make sausage and then roast the pig, and it would be a whole outdoor event all day long.
Did they ever do goulash in a kettle?
You know what? They probably have, but I was more involved with looking at the pig through the spit,
Yeah.
being cooked and then making the sausage and all that stuff. And of course, they did a lot of drinking.
That's probably what I need.
All right, so
I'm getting a tan.
what are we going to put on there now? We're going to let this cook
Just for a couple of minutes, we're gonna roast the garlic. Not roast, but saute the garlic and the caraway.
right?
And then
Now the smoke's following you. It's coming
Yeah.
right at you.
the wind keeps changing.
Yeah, you better sitting over here this time.
And then I'll add the meat and the paprika, and then that's when it stews for like a couple of hours.
Okay, excellent. And the paprika we're using is, please hold this up because I like it a lot. There we go.
Edish paprika.
Édes paprika.
Edish.
Szeged, édes paprika.
Édes.
And you know paprika, you know where it's from?
From a pepper?
No, but where's the pepper from?
Hungary.
No, you'd think so because Hungarians mastered the use of paprika, but it's actually from, I think, South America or Mexico even.
Well, where all peppers grow, right?
Right, I mean, but they took it over and the Spanish used it a lot and the Hungarians just ran wild with it. And
Yeah?
they chicken paprika, goulash, everything. I
Yeah.
mean, I put it in soup, I put it in everything.
I think you created this pit so I could fall into it.
Well, no, actually, it's a deep pit. It's obviously that'd be better
If
if it was on flat ground. Well, actually, no, because the stakes are not that big, so it's good. It's good right now. Just say thank you for making such a wonderful. Now, honest to God, the smoke is following you. It is now. It's blowing the other way. Old school.
Going to smother in paprika.
Yes. Now I love that. I love what you're about to do here. Ah, yes.
I mean, I'm almost going to empty this whole. Actually,
Yes,
I am.
you are emptying it all.
And then done.
Excellent.
And then we're going to cover it because I don't have
Okay.
a lid big enough. We're going to do foil. And then it's going to simmer like that for an hour or two.
It's going to simmer for an hour or two, just like this.
Yeah, I'm not sure quite how long because I've never done it this way.
Okay.
But when I do it on the stove, it's at least an hour.
Okay. I'm sure. I don't know if it has to be more than an hour here, but we'll see. It's hot, honey. I brought a glove out for you. Don't forget.
And hopefully the bears don't come in
The bears aren't going to come eat it. Stop worrying about the bears. Be like, I'm going to bum rush it and take it all. No, don't worry about it. They're opportunists. They come with their, in the middle of the night if there's no one around and we left it out. right, simmer, simmer, simmer. All right, now we're indoors, and what are we doing indoors here?
We're making the nokedli.
Nokedli, which is the noodles.
Yeah, in German they call it spätzle. Spätzle.
And is that the same as gnocchi in Italy?
No, gnocchi in Italy is made with potatoes.
Oh.
I mean, I guess it's a type of
pasta,
noodle.
Gnocchi pasta, the noodle.
Yeah, it's made out of potatoes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, this is nokedli, and that is something that another thing we got at Musho Majoruvar that you're using. It's called.
No, we didn't. We got this in Budapest.
We did?
Yeah,
Oh yes, we got this in Budapest.
from Nikki's cousin.
That's right. Oh my God, that's right. This is called a nokedli sagado. Sagado.
Sagado with a G.
Sagado. Which I think my Hungarian is so bad anymore, but I think it translates into a nokedli, a noodle terror. I think.
Really?
Yes, sagado means like rip it apart. So it like rips it or grates it. I don't know.
Maybe it means greater.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know. Maybe it means greater. I mean, you know. Anyway, so this is not completely outdoors, our meal tonight, because this is being made indoors.
Yeah, I guess I could have, but.
You could have, but that would have been a little crazy. I have 2 fire pits going, and we don't want that. All right, so we're making the noodles.
Right, so that's it for the first batch. I'm going to take it out.
And let's look. And they just basically drip in there, and that's a nokedli, just like
Hang
my
on,
grandma.
I'll show you.
Looks just like my grandmother used to make.
Okay,
There you go.
and then we'll just.
Beautiful.
See?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks just like my nagymama's. Good job.
Thanks.
Looks very good.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.
We're adding water to it.
Okay. Go ahead and tell me.
So the beef has been stewing for about an hour and a half.
You added some
Perfect.
salt.
Yep. So we're going to add about 8 cups of water. Let's see. Yeah.
8 cups of water. Here we go.
Yeah. You know, we could have quadrupled this recipe in here.
I know, it's a big, that's it? That's going to be the size of it?
Well, the carrots and the potatoes go in later, but
Okay,
that's
but yeah,
pretty
we
much
could have
it.
done a lot bigger. We could have fed, what, 20 people with this, yeah?
I don't know about 20.
Okay, how about 18? Careful, honey, it's hot.
So I'm going to let it come to a boil, and then I'll add the carrots first.
Because they need more time to soften than the potatoes, right?
Yeah, the potatoes will come at the very end.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to give that half an hour to simmer. My legs are getting burnt.
All right.
Alright, we'll be back.
Oh, we're back.
We're back.
What are we doing?
I'm going to add the carrots now.
All right.
It's been simmering in the meat's been simmering in the stew, and it's I was waiting for it to come to a boil, so now I'm going to add the carrots.
A little louder, honey.
And now I'm going to add the carrots. So I'm going to add the carrots, and I'm going to leave it for another half hour.
Okay, we're almost done, right?
Yeah.
Last add?
Last add.
Last add. What are we adding? Oh, that looks great. Oh, yeah. You can go to the potatoes, and then what, half hour?
Well, I don't know how fast this is going. I'm going to try the carrots and see. Yeah, this is slow. So the carrots are been in it for an hour or so,
Okay.
and they're just now like getting tender.
Excellent. So let's do it. I'll put another log on fire and get it, keep it at heat. Let's do it.
And I think I'll add some water. Like, do you like it like this, or do you want more water?
However you want it, honey. You made it great last time. So
Okay. Well, we'll put the potatoes on.
okay, and then go get more water, and then we'll cover it.
Whoa, Mama.
Careful. There you go. Old school, old world. There we go. Nice. Nice.
That looks great.
Beautiful.
Okay.
More water and
So
then we'll cover, yeah?
I put in like 8 carrots and I put in like
4 potatoes. Or
maybe
6.
5 or 6 potatoes.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Add a little more water in, then we'll go.
No, I think we're good with the water.
Oh, okay. Cover it up and then I'll add another log.
Are you sure you want to add another log because it's nice temperature?
Okay, I don't have to. No, I don't
Okay.
have. If you feel
I want it to go slow.
Okay. Then
Okay.
cover it up and I won't add another log. All right. Soon we feast. And we're gonna get some fresh baked bread for this too, right?
Yeah.
Pick that up. Okay, there you go. That's good.
Oof.
All right. All right.
See ya.
See you soon. Sziasztok. Right. Here we are, the goulash. It's boiling. It's ready to come off, yeah?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. Honey, use your gloves. Do
I
you
don't
have
need
them
a
here?
glove.
Okay. Smarty pants. You just, that looks fantastic. We're ready to serve that, right?
Hang on, let me try it.
Get a little piece there. Get a little piece. Come on. Come on.
Perfect.
Perfect. Your boy's coming with the salt if you need it.
You can leave the salt in there.
All right.
You want to give me the salt on camera?
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Deliver the salt, boy. Good man. Good man.
It's done. When you take it off the kettle, it's perfect.
Okay, I'll take it off. I'll go get my gloves, take it off the kettle. We done?
Yes, we're done. Good
Looks
goulash.
good. Hey, good luck. And look, we have a lot of people waiting to eat it back here. So here we go. All right.
All right.
There it is. Old school goulash or old school guyash. Sziasztok kívánok.
Viszlát.